Let's be honest. Almost every golf cart owner has asked this question at least once. How can I make my golf cart faster, better, or more capable without breaking the law or destroying it? Because while there are tons of golf cart hacks online, most of them fall into one of three categories. They're illegal, unsafe, or they slowly kill your cart. Today's video is different. In this video, I'm showing you how to hack your golf cart legally and safely, using upgrades and tricks that actually work. No sketchy wiring, no risky shortcuts, and no mods that will come back to haunt you later. Whether you drive your cart in a neighborhood, on private property, at a resort, or even on public roads as a street legal cart, these hacks will help you get more speed, more range, better performance, and a smoother ride, all while staying on the right side of the law. Before we get into the video, take a moment to ensure that you are subscribed and have notifications enabled so you don't miss new videos and updates. Let's get into it. What legal actually means for golf carts. Before we talk about hacks, we need to clear something up. When it comes to golf carts, legal depends on where and how you drive it. Most areas separate carts into three categories: golf course/private property carts, neighborhood/PTV carts, street legal/LSV golf carts. On private property, you usually have more freedom. But once you're driving on public roads, even neighborhood roads, things change fast. Most states and countries limit golf carts to 20 to 25 miles per hour max. Functional brakes, lights, reflectors, and mirrors. Proper tires, and sometimes seat belts or turn signals are mandatory. So when we say hack your golf cart legally, we mean no bypassing safety systems, no disabling governors illegally, and no mods that make your cart unsafe or unpredictable. The smartest hacks are the ones that optimize what your cart already has instead of forcing it beyond its limits. Next, we'll be going over speed hacks that won't get you in trouble. At number 1, we have proper tire size, the hidden speed boost. One of the most overlooked speed hacks is tire size. Slightly taller tires can increase your top speed without touching the motor or controller. Why? Because larger diameter tires cover more ground per rotation. A jump from stock 18-inch tires to 20 or 22-inch tires can add 1 to 3 miles per hour, sometimes more. The key is staying reasonable. Oversized tires strain the motor, hurt acceleration, and reduce hill climbing ability. But moderate upsizing? That's a legal, safe, and reversible speed hack. And then we have the correct tire pressure hack. This sounds boring, but it works. Underinflated tires create drag. Overinflated tires reduce traction and ride comfort. Keeping your tires at the manufacturer's recommended PSI improves speed, range, and handling. It's a free hack, yet most people get it wrong. And for hack number 3, we have controller optimization. Here's the difference between smart owners and reckless ones. Never bypass your controller. That's a fast trip towards wire burns and fried motors. However, many modern carts allow legal controller reprogramming. Manufacturers often limit speed conservatively for battery life and warranty reasons. A professional controller tune can improve throttle response, smoothen acceleration, and unlock safe performance margins. This keeps you within legal limits, just with better efficiency. Moving on to range and battery life hacks. For hack number 4, we have lithium upgrade, the biggest legal hack. If there's one upgrade that feels like cheating, it's lithium batteries. Switching from lead acid to lithium reduces weight by hundreds of pounds, improves acceleration, extends range, while still maintaining voltage under load. And yes, it can make your cart feel faster without changing speed limits. Lithium doesn't magically break the law. It simply makes your cart operate at peak efficiency. Hack number 5. Reduce rolling resistance. Every pound matters. Heavy accessories, steel rear seats, oversized wheels, massive sound systems, all reduce range. Swapping heavy parts for aluminum frames, lighter wheels, and compact accessories can improve range and speed. Hack number 6. Regenerative braking. Some AC carts support regenerative braking. Instead of wasting energy as heat, the cart feeds power back into the battery. This improves range and reduces brake wear. If your cart supports it, enabling regen is a legal efficiency hack most owners never use. And now for safety hacks most people ignore, we'll spotlight hack number 7, brake system upgrades. One of the smartest legal hacks is upgrading brakes. Speed is useless if you can't stop. Disc brake kits shorten stopping distance, improve downhill control, and reduce fade. This is especially important if you've added bigger tires, more passengers, and heavier accessories. Better brakes equals safer cart equals fewer legal issues. Hack number 8. Suspension tuning. A cart that handles poorly is dangerous, even at 20 miles per hour. Upgraded shocks and springs improve stability, reduce body roll, while making higher speeds feel controlled. This doesn't increase top speed, it just makes your cart safer at the speed it's already capable of. Hack number 9. Lighting that actually works. Many factory golf cart lights are simply put, terrible. Upgrading to proper LED headlights, brake lights, and turn signals improves visibility, road safety, and legal compliance. And no, blinding light bars aren't the answer. Good lighting is about seeing and being seen. And finally, for hacks you should never do. Never remove the safety limiter, bypass the governor and associated wiring, overvolt your motor, or add random Amazon speed chips just because you can. These hacks void warranties, increase fire risk, destroy motors and controllers, and have the risk of making your cart illegal overnight. If a mod promises insane speed with no downside, that's a red flag. Here's the truth most golf cart influencers won't tell you. The best golf cart hacks don't break the law, they work with the cart, not against it. Anyone can show you reckless speed mods, but in the real world those shortcuts cost you money, reliability, and safety. Optimizing efficiency, control, and durability will always outperform risky upgrades in the long run. If you want a cart that's faster, where it actually matters, safer for you, your passengers, and everyone around you, legal for neighborhoods and public roads, and cheaper to own and maintain over time, these are the hacks that actually make a difference. If this video saved you time, money, or a future headache, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe for real-world golf cart advice and in-depth reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Also, I really want to hear from you. What's the smartest upgrade you've made to your golf cart, or the worst mistake you've seen someone else make? Drop a comment. Your experiences might help everyone watching make better decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.